in this video I will show you TikTok cannot send messages due to privacy settings. Firstly, when you take off on a selection like this one, what is the best solution for you? It is simply by going on your profile action on your account, then tapping on the three dots on your right upper side, select settings and privacy on the second button. Right after you get into that selection, scroll down and go for I need help or take that support session. Just go report a problem, the first selection right from here. And then you'll need to wait to get up to the full page on that main setup, then go again on your right upper side and then wait again to get the full setup for your selection. When you get here, you need to go again on your right upper side to take that note or a feedback session, which is so much important for you to take and know what is the best solution to get and fix that problem. The first thing what you can do from here, guys, as I said, it is going and explaining what's the problem. That here you have a problem by sending message due to privacy settings, that you need to fix something, that you need more eligible features which will help you to get through this problem. And also you can send a message setup and also a photo from here. If you tap on it, you can send a photo from your gallery, or you can take a video from your recorder and get it on your TikTok settings session. And then when you take that session right here, and then you need to go report, and you will need to wait 24 hours to get that feedback from the supporting team of TikTok.